Something's not right. Something's not right. Something's not right.
No, the battery's not fully charged.
104 pump.
Oh, wow.
Okay, Will.
I'm not good at that.
Give me the commentary. Yeah, you are. Ladies and gentlemen. Dun, 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 dun. My name is William.
This has a 13-blade XRP in-runner.
Nice.
And
All right.
it also has a gyro.
All right. All right.
We keep it from crashing.
What size battery is this thing?
It's a 6S.
6S? All right. Let's do it, brother. Okay, William, let's do it. I'm set. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Here it's spooling up. William, when this was made back in 1952, it originally had a...
With a man in it, as you can see.
Yeah.
She's got plenty of pep.
It really scoots. It really scoots down the runway.
Let's hope the ill fate that followed Tim doesn't follow this bird. Wow. He is inverted.
Is he going to pull out? Wow, he's going so fast I could barely get it in the...
LEDs in the back to simulate the afterburner.
Afterburners, yeah. When this was originally built, William, back in 1952, it was capable of Mach 1, which was the fastest plane in the sky at that time.
That is correct. This one a little slower, but not much.
Yeah, scale to scale.
Wise,
Yeah.
You know.
It's probably,
encouraging, you know that.
it's probably 0.9.
A nice low pass. Oh, nice low pass.
And that's what we like to see, ladies and gentlemen.
That was cool.
This little jet's got some get up and go.
Oh, nice afterburner. Oh yeah.
That's it?
He is landing. Well, when you got that much power,
Full.
it takes a lot of amps, and that drains the battery pretty quickly.
Takes a lot of electrons.
All right, nice smooth final. Can you come in the other way?
Nah.
You got this. And oh, you couldn't get a better touchdown than that, bud.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't get much better than that.
Oh, and we got the and we're off the runway.
That
NTSB.
just happens because of our runway in particular.
So what would you give that? A scale out of 1 to 10
I would
there?
give that about a 9.5.
9.5, 9.5. Yeah, I give it
I'm
9.5.
higher than Will.
You at 9.6?
I'm going to give that probably a 9.9.
Oh, and we're gonna 4x4 it out of the way. And we just dug it down. Give me a cut, Will.
And cut.
Boom.